Welcome back to my channel. This is the first episode of AI Tools in Action series. In the AI Tools in Action series, I'll show you how you can combine the power of AI tools with non-AI tools to streamline your daily tasks and optimize your workflow. Through these tutorials, you'll learn how to leverage the latest AI technologies to work smarter, not harder. In this episode, I'll show you how AI can help you create a Shopify store easily. Let's get started. Part 1. Store Name. Ask ChatGPT to research store names in your niche using Ahrefs data. In this example, I asked ChatGPT to create SEO-friendly shop name ideas according to their SEO score. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, please watch my video about it. The link is provided in the description. Part 2. Create Shopify store. Step 1. Open the Shopify website and use my link in the description to get a $1 Shopify promo. Enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. Follow the instructions. Step 2. Choose your store name and customize your Shopify URL if desired. Click Next and select your country. Step 3. Create your Shopify ID with your email, Apple, Facebook, or Google account. Set your password and click Create Shopify ID. Wait for the shop generation process to complete. Part 3. Pick Shopify plan. From your store admin page, click the Pick a Plan button. Choose a plan that matches your needs. Select your billing cycle. Fill in your business information and select a payment method. In this example, I'm using PayPal. Connect your PayPal account. And click Start Plan to finish the payment process. After payment is complete, don't forget to verify your email address. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can follow my step-by-step guide. The link is provided in the description. Part 4. Connect your domain. If you want to use your custom domain, follow these steps. If not, you can use your Shopify address. If you want to register a new domain, you can buy one from GoDaddy or Namecheap. The links are provided in the description. Step 1. From your admin dashboard, click the Settings menu, and then click Domains. Click Existing Domain, input your domain name, and click Next. You can follow their video guide for domain connection or just follow my simple steps. Step 2. Open your domain control panel, choose DNS setting or management, create a new record, input your host name, and if you use your top-level domain, you can input www as the host name. If you use a subdomain, you can input your subdomain name. Set the type to CNAME, and fill in the value form with shops.myshopify.com. Save your settings. Step 3. Back to your Shopify admin and click Verify Connection. After the verification process is finished, you can browse your own domain. Part 5. Page Creation. Open ChatGPT to help us create pages for our website. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to create terms and conditions for our website. Copy the result. Step 2. Back to your Shopify admin dashboard, click Online Store menu, and select Pages. Click Add Page to create a new page. Step 3. Set the title and paste the AI-generated terms and conditions. Do some correction and enhancement to the description. After everything is okay, click Save. Step 4. Repeat Step 3 for the privacy policy and return policy pages. You can also add an About page. Part 6. Menu. Step 1. Navigate to the online store section and select Navigation menu. From there, select Footer menu to show the pages you want to include. Click Add Menu Item and give your menu item a name. Step 2. From the Links section, select the pages you want to include, and repeat Step 1 for each page. Step 3. Once you have finished setting up the footer menu, you can check the results on your website. The default Shopify theme displays the menu in 2 sections. To delete one of them, go to the Theme menu under the Online Store section. Click Customize. Then click on the Footer section. Delete the footer menu. Click Save. And then click Exit to return to the dashboard. Step 4. To change the main menu, go back to the Navigation menu and select Main menu. You can delete menus that you don't want to show in the main menu. Step 5. Click Add Menu Item and give your menu item a name. In this example, we will create an anime menu to show anime collection products. Since we don't have any products or collections yet, set it to All Collections. Click Save Menu when you're done. Part 7. Title and Metadata. Select necessary information, such as page title, meta description, social sharing images, Google Analytics, etc. You can use ChatGPT to assist you with this. Part 8. Payments. You can choose a payment method for your shop from the Payment Providers menu. In this tutorial, we will use PayPal. Step 1. Click Activate PayPal to start the PayPal business setup. Then, click Activate PayPal Express Checkout. Step 2. If you already have a personal PayPal account, you can convert it to a business account. Follow the instructions and fill in all the required data. Choose your business category and input your website address. After watch this tutorial, I hope you can create your own Shopify store, but if you have any question, please ask me in comment. I have a special offer for my followers. I can create a Shopify website from scratch for you for free. All you have to do is subscribe and leave me a comment. I will help you once I have free time, and I can only assist you with tasks that are explained in this video. For other tasks, please learn from my next videos. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video about how to use Midjourney for our website design.